Yes. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Inner and Outer, and this is Rasika. So what is moisturizer? So moisturizing your face every day will help your skin clear, glowing, softer, smoother, wrinkle free, and also reduce the dry patches. So most moisturizers are water-based lotion, cream, gel and serums. They contain ingredients that draws water in your skin called humectant, such as glycerin, lactic acid and urea, and others that smooth your skin that called emollient, such as lanolin, sunflower oil and jojoba oil. So remember to use your moisturizer as per the seasonal. So summertime use lightweight moisturizer and wintertime use like heavy moisturizer. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends and family as well. Normal skin is neither too dry nor too oily. To maintain this natural moisture balance, use water-based moisturizer that has a light and non-greasy feel. This moisturizer often contains lightweight oils and silicone-based ingredients. Dry skin tend to be flaky, itchy, rough, red and tight. So restore moisturizer to the dry skin. Choose heavier, thicker and oil-based moisturizer. Look for the ingredient hyaluronic acid and dimethicone, which helps to keep the skin hydrated. Glycerin, propylene glycol, protein and urea also helps to attract water into the skin. Lanolin, mineral oil and petroleum locks the moisture in your skin. For very dry and cracked skin, look for the ointment with petroleum jelly like Vaseline or Aquaphor. They have more staying power than the lotion do and are more effective in reducing water loss from your skin. These type of products are also greasy in the daytime, so use this in the night time. Oily skin has large pores, shiny, greasy, prone to acne and breakouts. Choose lightweight, oil-free, water-based moisturizer and also look for the label non-comedogenic, means it won't clog your pores. If you're acne prone, avoid products on your face that contain petroleum jelly, cocoa butter, coconut oil. Instead of that, you can use hyaluronic acid and salicylic acid. Salicylic acid helps to exfoliate your skin to help fight acne bacteria. So here is another tip. So people who have like very oily skin, they can use sunscreen instead of your moisturizer. For combination skin, combination means like T-zone is oily and cheeks are dry. So maybe your forehead, nose and chin is oily and your cheeks are dry. So in that case, you can always use like medium lightweight water-based product for your skin. Sensitive skin is susceptible to irritation, redness, itchiness and rashes. Look for the moisturizer that contains soothing ingredients such as chamomile, rose water and aloe vera. Choose mild product labeled as hypoallergenic and fragrance free. Acid-based product might maybe irritate your sensitive skin. For mature skin, as you age, your skin tends to get like thinner, drier, less elastic and less able to protect itself from damage. So keep your skin protect soft and well hydrated. Choose the oil-based moisturizer that contains petroleum jelly, which holds the moisturizer in your skin. Moisturizer that can make fine lines and wrinkles less visible. They are alpha hydroxy acid, also as called as AHA, antioxidant, peptide and retinol. So when to apply the moisturizer? So you can always use moisturizer after your toner, morning and evening. Let me know which is your favorite moisturizer and why in the comment below. And till the time, see you soon.